Alright, in this question we're asked to find an equation in terms of x of the line that passes through these 2 points. To do this, we're going to use the slope-intercept form here on the right. We could also use the point-slope form of a linear equation. That's another option, but I'm only going to use the slope-intercept form here. And our job is going to be to find these values for m and b. M is the value of the slope. So first we'll take these points and calculate the slope using the slope formula. Here we have these points plugged into the slope formula, subtracting the y values in the numerator and subtracting the x values in the denominator. We get a slope of 4/7. What that means then is that we have the equation of y equals 4/7 x plus b. Now the job is just to find out what this b value is, or the y-intercept value. What we're going to do, we're going to find this by using one of these points or pairs of values. We're going to choose any one of them. What I'm going to use is this -2, -2. And what I'm going to do is use the information that the first value is the x and the second value is the y. And I'm going to plug those in for x and y in this equation and solve it to find my b value. So y is -2 and x is also -2 in this situation, and we don't know our b. We're actually going to solve this equation for b. So I'm going to do this multiplication fairly quickly. 4/7 times -2 would be -2 over 1, giving us -8/7 plus b. Then we're going to add 8/7, -8/7 to both sides of the equation to isolate the b value. Simplifying stuff, I have my work for adding -2 and 8/7 here on the right hand side of the equation. I need to find a common denominator and add my numerators. And what I get over here is -6/7, which equals b. So this is now my b value, which I will plug in to this original equation up here, giving me that my equation for this formula is y equals 4/7 x minus 6/7. And again, where this information came from, the 4/7 came from finding the slope right here. That's straightforward. Every single time we have a problem like this, we get the slope in that same way. And then what I did, I plugged the information from one of these 2 points. It doesn't matter which point you use. I used the -2, -2. Plug those values in for x and y. Solve my equation for b. In this case, it's unfortunate. I have to deal with fractions a little bit, which required me to do some fraction operations here on the side to find the value of b. But once I had that value of b, I simply plug it in to the original equation.